because we get excited about the products. You get to see the live demonstrations, and I know you're wowed by them, but what happens is once you get the products at home, you're even more wowed by the products. This very first one is an extreme example of that and how much everybody loves it. Everyone who's gotten it at home has absolutely raved about it. It's a huge customer pick. These are the Dock wood fiber multi-size design in the Clean Cloth. Largest configuration of towelettes that we have actually done for you. There are a total of 30 of these, but you'll be unbelievably impressed with what they can do and what they don't hold. So we're going to welcome in our very special guest. We have Matt Davis joining us, and we want to hear your testimonials. So please start giving us a call with those right now. We'll share some testimonials with you as well, but we want to hear from you. But what happens? We make a mess, right?
Absolutely.
Every day.
It's Sunday morning. I know you've got some cleaning to do. We all do. I mean, this is where we start, right? We grab the paper towels and we pull out a big handful of paper towels, and then we sop things up and we say, well, clean enough, and we throw this away. This is cash in the trash. You don't need that anymore. You get the Dock Cloth. Now, the Dock Cloth is unique. It really, truly is. It is a revolutionary new technology in cloths, okay? A cleaning cloth that is 8 different layers of wood fiber. Now, what does that mean to you? It means that it's going to be super absorbent. It was developed by sushi chefs that needed something that would clean quickly, clean efficiently, and not only pick up the messes you can see, but pick up bacteria, pick up unbelievable layers of dirt and bacteria and salmonella and E. coli. Now, we took it out and we had to have an independent laboratory tested, folks. HSN does not take people's word for it. We don't come on here and just make things up. We had an independent laboratory tested. 99.99% of the salmonella and E. coli on a hard surface was picked up by the Dock Cloth. And not only that, but when you rinse it, just using the power of water, when you rinse it, it comes 99.99% clean. So it's like brand new again, ready to go back to work, reusable. One Dock Cloth can replace up to 75 paper towels, and it does so much more than any paper towel or any other cloth on the market.
To put that in layman's terms,
unbelievable.
We all have this little guy, right?
Oh, boy.
Blue guy, green guy, whatever color you have.
Disgusting.
And then you squeeze it out, and you can smell it on your hands for days. You know what that smell is, right? That's the bacteria, the E. coli, and the salmonella that are in here. They're actually trapped inside of the sponge. That's what a sponge bud does, is it actually traps it. The difference between this, and this is why it was developed by the sushi chefs, this is actually 8 layers of this wood fiber pulp that it goes into, so it absorbs in, but the second you rinse it out, 99.999% of that also rinses back out,
right.
So it's not going to be in here. You're getting a pack of 30 of these, and they are reusable time and time again. Best value that we've ever done. So let's show you.
Let's go right to a demonstration. Take a look. We have an absorbency test to start with. This is always the silly part, because you know these paper towels, they say super absorbent. Well, I don't think so. Take a look. One of the standard Dock Cloths, and this is just the standard size Dock Cloth. We're going to place this in and take a look. Now, we've just colored this water green just so that you can see it. You press it down, you let it go. The Dock Cloth picks it up. It's all right there. Now, not only is it all right there, but watch this. We're going to take it over here, and we're going to take it to the sink. Now, what happens? Now, we use green food dye in there, and the food dye, you know, it's not easy to get out of a cloth. But take a look. You rinse it, and about 30 seconds later, you're going to have an absolutely clean, absolutely perfect, brand new Dock Cloth, ready to go to work and pick up that dirt, pick up that bacteria. I'll tell you what, we talked about this blue sponge. Take a look. We're going to take this blue sponge and we're going to rinse it, okay? We're going to rinse it just like that. Now, I have, excuse my reach, I have the CSI, the official CSI blacklight. Take a look at this. We're going to take the lights down a little bit. Look at this sponge that I just rinsed. Do you see this? Guess what that is? That's bacteria on that sponge. You take that sponge and you try to clean your home with it. Look at that. You use it on your glassware.
You're wiping it across your countertops.
Look at this. Can you imagine the kid's sippy cup?
Let's just wipe off the top of the sippy cup because it dropped on the floor and now it's worse.
Exactly right. Take a look at the video that we have here. This is exactly what happened in this video, is that we had folks go through and wipe down the kitchen. We wiped down the kitchen set, and what happened? Spread that bacteria around. We followed them with a Dock Cloth, and you can instantly see the difference. You can see that difference visibly, taking away that E. coli, the salmonella. It wipes it right up, cleans it right up, and that's the beauty of the Dock Cloth. Reusable, incredible technology. Take a look. We've got a mess here, and again, like any great cloth that's out there. It's going to clean up those wet messes. It's going to clean up the dirt. It's going to take these scuff marks right off. It has an abrasive quality to it, and when you get it home,
it won't scratch your countertops. It's not going to scratch your appliances.
Exactly right. Take a look on the linoleum. You got these sticky messes. We just put down some. I think we used a little grape jelly this morning. A little
that over there is a little syrup.
Absolutely.
There's some sticky jelly.
Right up. And
some honey.
What we're doing? No chemicals. No chemicals. We're saving all that money, and it's squeaky clean, folks. There's nothing there.
With just water, ordinary tap water. You don't need to spray any chemicals on it, because with the dot cloth, that's all you're going to use is just water. And I do want to share with you, too, because you can see out in front of us, look at all the dot cloths that you're actually going to be getting. You can use these. Yes, you could use them to take off your makeup. You could use these in the kitchen. You could use them in the garage. You can use the ones with the different colors in different areas of your home. Have the ones that you're going to use only in the bathroom. The one that you're going to use right around. Woohoo! We're going to clean that up in just a second, right? But you're going to use them everywhere throughout your entire home. I've been here for 23 years, and one of the things that we never, ever hear, we never hear that one product as simple as this, like a paper towel that you would have, the dot cloth will actually remove 99.99% of bacteria and E. coli and salmonella from the hard surfaces. And then when you rinse it, 99.99% of that will also be rinsed out. Let's share with you some of those great reviews, because we've got fantastic reviews on the product, and that's why we'd love to hear from you as well. But unbelievable price today. Here's one that says, magical. These cloths work at cleaning everything from top to bottom. Love them, and it is so true. You will use these anywhere and everywhere around your entire home. Here's another one. It says, great. I have given these to several friends of mine to try. I cannot believe I got so excited over a dishcloth, but these are wonderful. I need to order more. Here's the other thing, too. When you first get them home, they have a very interesting texture to it and kind of an interesting feel. You're like, well, that's weird.
They're very substantial.
Doesn't feel like, you know, my little soft cloths that I put, you know, all my soft stuff in. No. These actually have kind of a...
8 layers. Yeah.
8
layers. You can feel that wood fiber in there, and that's what makes it unique. And you can see again in our video, you're rinsing it off. And I'll tell you what, again, you're not seeing a chemical cleaner that you're going to have to rebuy and rebuy and rebuy. This is something you get this 30-pack home. You try it. You're going to share some with your neighbors and your friends, trust me. And when you do, you're going to absolutely love it. You know, we have a saying, my good friend Carrie says, you don't like the dot cloth, you love it. And that's why the customer picks have been outstanding. And you can use it anywhere. We give you the large cloths for outdoors. We give you the smaller cloths. Women are using that to take off makeup, and it's fantastic. It gives you a little bit of that exfoliation. Take a look.
Yeah,
I want to show you another demo.
They're actually very soft once they get wet with just ordinary water.
You can see how great these are. Take
cutting
a look.
board.
We want to show you. This is one of the most dangerous places in the house, right? The cutting board. We all know this. Let's say that you prepared some chicken, or you did some food preparation here. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah,
there you go. You see that? Take a look at that light. Now, if you'll hold this light for me, Kathy, I want you to be the CSI person. I'm taking the dot cloth just with water. Now, watch this. I'm going to wipe, okay? Watch what happens. Where did it go?
That's unbelievable.
It's gone. Guess where it went? Watch. Boom.
It's right in there.
Take a look again.
But now you can rinse that out, and then it rinses off of there.
Exactly right. That's it. It picks it up. It does what no other cloth can do, is those 8 layers of wood fiber are picking that up. Then you take it over, you rinse it out, and you're ready to go cleaning again. And you're not cross-contaminating everything around the house.
What are we looking at back here?
Well, this is 70 rolls of paper towels. I want you to think about it every week, right? I mean, it's a habit.
Big box store.
That's right, big box store. You get a 6-pack for only $5. What a deal. It's on sale. And guess what? You take it, you use them, you throw them away. Think about the money that you're going to save. One of these 30-count cloths, you're getting 30 cloths. One of the standard size can replace up to 75 rolls, not paper towels. Rolls, so that tells you how many times you can reuse them. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of times. It's basically like a lifetime supply of cleaning, and you don't ever have to buy chemicals again either. Think about all those chemical cleaners.
That's like 2,200 rolls of paper towels.
Amazing.
2,200
unbelievable
rolls of paper towels, or
just the 30 dot cloth.
And this is 70 right here. So this represents what one of your dock cloths will do for you.
And you don't have to buy this.
And look at all the different sizes that you have, too. You've got the smaller ones. These are great for your makeup, taking away to college. They also dry nice and quickly, too.
Beautiful.
But they're beautifully done. You get all of them. You get all 3 sizes. You get the 12 of the mini cloths. That's a 6x7 size. You're also getting 16 of the regular size cloths. Those are 10 3/4 for 12. And then 13x14 is 2 of the jumbo cloths. Want to share with you, too, a price comparison. As we mentioned, this is the biggest, best value that we have offered for you, available for you today. So for the 20-piece set, they were $39.95.
Yep.
That is when I bought mine.
And a great
the
value.
The 20-piece,
yep.
$39.95. For 10 more, you're getting it for $5 less. Introductory price.
Amazing.
We reduced that shipping and handling down to $2.95, and it's on 2 individual payments on FlexPay. If you get multiple sets of these, yep, half price shipping and handling on the additional ones. So, what are other cleaning modes and the things that we have around our house, right?
I have to apologize, Kathy, because I know you can smell this. This is not my new cologne.
I can.
This is a disgusting, smelly mess. We showed you before what the sponges do. They grab that dirt, but then it keeps that dirt in there that you can never rinse them clean. Microfiber does a nice job, but again, it doesn't pick up the bacteria. It doesn't do what the dock cloth can do. Again, one dock cloth can do so much. Here's one dock cloth. Again, this is the standard size. Now, we also gave you the mini size. I want to talk about that for a second, because it's not only great for exfoliation, taking off your makeup, but think about taking this with you when you travel. You check into a hotel that thousands and thousands of people have been in. The remote control, if you watch the news, you've seen those studies when they come in with the black light and they're like, oh my gosh, take a look at the remote control, how disgusting it is. Just with the power of water, when you get into the hotel, first thing you do, you wipe things down using the dock cloth, and you're going to absolutely have a cleaner environment. You're not going to bring those germs home with you. And you, again, you can use them for all kinds of things. The kids' toys, the high chair, the trays. You can even use them. You can even take them to a restaurant and wipe down the table. You see the girl with that dirty rag and she wipes down your table? You know that rag's not getting the job done. Get the dock cloth and you're going to get the job done.
You can smell the rag that they're wiping the table down with, and you're thinking, seriously? Can you not smell that?
Exactly.
But you can use these all over your entire home. They do have a little bit of a texture to it, so it's really nice. It kind of almost feels like it's really getting your pores nice and clean when using it on the face.
I've got more CSI stuff. I love this black light because I want to show you guys. These are the surfaces that we touch on a daily basis, right? The doorknobs. This is why when mom's sick, everybody's sick. When dad comes home from work and everybody's spreading around the flu, take a look. Or the germs. Look at this. Now, I want to show you real quick on a live. If you can hold that there, I'm going to just wipe this knob, and you're going to see it disappear. Now, watch down here. If you can shoot it on there, there you go. And we wipe this knob, and you can see it disappear. Again, where did it go?
It's right there.
It's there on the dock cloth, and you know, laboratory tested, independent laboratory tested, I'm going to remove 99.99% of this just by rinsing it out in the sink. We're going to put this where it belongs, which is down the drain. Get rid of that bacteria, get rid of that dirt. That's the beauty of the dock cloth.
You know what, though? It's not like it's soaking all the way through.
Oh, it can pick up so much. Just one dock cloth, you can use it to clean your entire home. And again, you're getting a 30 count. We're giving you the extra large size. We're giving you the smaller size. We're giving it so that you can share it with a friend. This is something that, like I say, everyone that calls in, I love hearing the testimonial callers because they call in and they say, you know what? I got the dock cloth home. I wasn't so sure when I first tried it, but then I couldn't believe the results that I was getting, the cleaning. And then it's because it's the dirt that you can see, but it's the dirt you can't see.
It's also, it's just water. The water.
Love it.
That's all you need. You don't need to do it with any special cleaners or anything on there.
This is the large size, just with water. This is a hood of a car. You can do it
Which was actually quite dirty when we first walked up, and you can see all the little marks, and you can see all the little rain spots, if you will, all over it. Look at how beautifully this shines up very quickly. Already over 2,600 have already been ordered. We have right now a set of 30 for $34.95. Buy them, get them for your friends, but most importantly, this does something else that no other cloth out there does. Only place that you can get it right here on HSN. This actually removes 99.99% of E. coli, salmonella, and bacteria, and it actually applies it into the cloth. What you do is you rinse that out, and that with just ordinary tap water. So dock cloths dampen with regular tap water, wipe away 99.99% of dirt and bacteria from non-porous surfaces, including formica, granite, wood, plastic. It works on all of those.
It's amazing.
And that's why they don't smell. So even when these are out on your counter, you can rinse them out and then they don't smell. You go back to them time and time again.
That's exactly right. You can get rid of these stinky sponges. You don't have to buy the chemicals. We got another, we want to do this one more time. I wanted to show you. There's that sponge with all the bacteria in there. Don't use that to clean your home. Take a look. Again, we've got there you go. We got the cutting board with the bacteria on it. All you do is wipe it clean. Look at that. It's gone. Guess where it went? Right into the dock cloth. That's
and then you rinse it off?
You rinse that off. We use it over and over and over again. Get rid of those paper towels. Get rid of all those expensive cleaners in your home. Clean with just water with the dock cloth. I love it.
And it's a set of 30 of them today. You get all 30
Great
of
value.
these. That's the medium size that you're using right there.
Absolutely.
We have the smaller size, and then we have the larger size. You get all of them today, all 30 of them in one configuration. It is the perfect way to be able to get yourself great savings, but a cleaner, healthier home. If you have somebody in your home that suffers from allergies, you can't use a lot of those cleaners. For me, I like to clean with water because then I know it's clean. And with the dock cloth, it's guaranteed clean. Right now, we're going to check in with Carrie and find out about Naturalizer Boots.